Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. I was just getting some dimensions for my final peg for my Uncle Colin, a commission. So he wanted 14 pegs. Anyway, the purpose of this video is to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to one and all. We'd just like to say it's been an absolutely amazing year and we couldn't have done it without you guys. So you know that you're an integral part of the blind wood turn and what I'm doing and what I'm trying to do and achieve, and your support has been, you know, absolutely incredible. Nicola and I have got this amazing wealth of friends from all over the world, so we wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. So what we're going to do is have a break over Christmas, and we hope you all have a wonderful time and find the day, a day or two to relax and spend time with your family and loved ones. So we hope we get to meet up with lots of you next year at the shows, Maker Central, and we're at Newark and we're all over the place. So yes, we hope to meet up with all of you whenever and wherever we can. So have a great Christmas, have a wonderful new year, and keep on turning, everybody, from the Blind Wood Turner. Bye.